Hey guys, today I'm gonna wax my nose hair and tell you if the pain is worth it. Woo! Holy crap. Hey guys, welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Today we are going to wax my nose hairs. So I've been wanting to try this out for a long time. I saw a few other guys on YouTube try this nose wax kit. I've seen a few like barbers on Instagram that just always do this to their clients. And you know, I've been shaving and trimming my nose hairs with the Manscaped nose hair trimmer, and it does a great job, but the hairs grow back so quickly. So today I'm going to see how much this hurts and how quickly the hairs are gonna end up growing back. So I saw this one advertised online and I thought it was pretty cool because it comes with these little mustache stickers that you can put over your mustache so you don't rip out your mustache hairs when you're pulling out your nose hairs. And the brand name is Liddy, so you know it's gonna be lit. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So first of all, you get about 20 of these little nose sticks, so there's gonna be more than one application in this kit. And then it comes with some wax beads and some cups to melt the wax, along with a plastic cup to microwave so you can melt the wax. And then last but not least, there are these little mustache stickers that you can put on so you do not get wax on your mustache hairs if you happen to have a mustache. It's funny because you're putting a mustache over your own mustache, but let's see if this works. So reading the instructions, there are two ways to melt the wax. Either you put the wax and water in the microwave, or you put a bunch of water in a plastic cup, get that warm, and then melt the wax over the warm water, which seems like a more gradual process, and it seems like the wax won't get as hot and burn the inside of my nostrils, so I'm gonna go with method number 2. Then once the wax is melted, you wanna dip the applicator into the wax and get just the right amount. It shows you too much, too little, and the exact, which look very similar, but we're gonna eyeball it and see how it goes. Then you place the applicator into your nose, let it dry for at least 90 seconds, but not more than 2 minutes, and then you rip that mother out of your nose. So let's try this out. Let's see how much it hurts, and let's see if I will be doing this on a regular basis instead of trimming my hairs with a nose hair trimmer. Here we go. Oh, I feel like it's gonna be hot. We're in. I should have put the mustache sticker on. Well, I might not have some mustache when we're done with this, but we shall see. So it says to leave this in for 90 seconds. Somebody's got a timer, hopefully. I can feel my eyes watering already. Alrighty, so it has been 90 seconds. Here we go. Just like a Band-Aid, right? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Holy crap. Guys, do you see that? Gotta do it like the girl fashion bloggers. Look at that. Wow, looks like a fur ball. So honestly, I 100% recommend this if you guys want to use the nose trimmers to keep things maintained, but I think I'm gonna start doing this at least once every 2 weeks, if not more, because this works crazy good and it pulled out a ton of hair. So thanks for watching, guys. I will have a link to this product down below if you guys want to check it out. And let me know if you guys have tried this before, and if you try it after this video, leave a comment down below on if it hurt for you or not, because for me, this did not hurt at all and was pretty much painless. So thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram over at gentslounge, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.